In this part, we are going to grab the image from the website in the Wikipedia. And first, just like before, we have to import the request. And the response is equal to the request.get, and then we pass the Wikipedia and this URL to this place. And then we import the beautiful soup. And then actually we can select the image by selecting the image tag. But as you can see, there are many images, because if you look at the Wikipedia and you go to view page source, and if you check the IMG, you already get 24 image there. So you have to use another method later. But first we go to grab the image. And now we can see, if you go to copy this image link, and then we back to here and pass HTTP, and then we click enter, and now you can see this log. And actually this is coming from here, and this is the image that we just see. But now we actually want to get this picture, and if you look at this, and we can inspect, and now if you go to select this image, and now you can see actually we have the class name or thumbnail that should be thumb image. So we go to here and we just like this one, instead of the image tag, we use the thumb image class, and you can see if you pass the image, you also has a list of image, and we can check the length, because this is an array, and you can see there are actually 6 from image. And if you just want to get the first one, we pass the 0 index, and then we have the class by using the passing the class here, and we can also have the source, which is the image source. And this one, I just want to show you that you can set this to markdown, and then we pass this link to this image source, and so now actually you can get this image from the Wikipedia. And now again, we want to save the image, so we go to copy this link, and go to we copy this link, and then we paste to here, and then we save it, execute this line, and then we get the content. And now you can see this is actually the binary content. So in order to save the binary data, we have to use open the profile picture. We want to save it as profile.jpg, and we want to use write binary. And then we pass the image URL.content into this file. So we use f.write, and then we use f.close. Now if you back to the Python course and go to check whether we have the profile JPEG, and now we can get this. So we should check this Wikipedia, and this is the first thumbnail, and so we should go to here and change this to, this should not be the first one, and then we change this to this image, and then we should pass this image to here, and then we execute them again. We again open the profile.jpg and then write the image URL.content and then use f.close. So now if you refresh the profile image, you will get this guide profile image.